How to buy Syndicate Gold in Apex Legends Mobile. So Syndicate Gold is the form of currency to purchase items in Apex Legends store. So to get those, you want to go to the bottom right hand corner where it says store, click on that, then you should be able to see the right hand side where it says featured and all those different options. You want to scroll down on that part until it says Syndicate Gold, then at the bottom right hand corner you want to click on that Syndicate Gold section. That's going to bring up the options for the different types of amounts of coins you can buy. So depending on what you want to purchase, however much you want to spend, click on that. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to bring up either on Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, basically putting in your card details or however which way you're going to purchase it. You will need to put in those details, and then it's going to take you through to where you can purchase it. So make sure you get your correct card details, etc. in there. You'll purchase it, then you'll be able to go back into the store and kind of purchase whichever items you want with that Syndicate Gold. So you need to go into this section, purchase Syndicate Gold, and then get the item that you want. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.